Greetings, my faithful students. We ponies aren't the only magical ones here in Equestria. In fact, all around us exists a menagerie of creatures with remarkable capabilities. Hydras, timberwolves, dragons. All of these animals may sound scary, but we still have much to learn from their amazing abilities. Like the changelings, who are able to evolve their magic and harness love for good. Or the tatzelworm, who has magical scales, making it impervious to even the strongest alicorn magic. There is also Steve the sea serpent, who, well, he's very sassy. But class, don't discount the smaller creatures of Equestria either. Just look at this tiny parasprite. It can replicate itself hundreds of times within the span of minutes. Big and small, winged or horned, we all must live in a balance of magical harmony. Because it is our duty. And because they're so cute.